Welcome to this tutorial on transforming a group into a grid in WordPress in just a few minutes. In this session, you will learn each step of the process in a clear and straightforward manner. To begin, start by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout before proceeding. When you are ready, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you will see the login option. Click on this login button to initiate the sign-in process. WordPress offers several ways to log in, and for this tutorial you will continue with a Google login. Upon clicking the login option, select the option that says to continue with Google. A new window or prompt will appear showing your available accounts. Choose the account you want to use and sign in securely using your Google credentials. This method simplifies the process and integrates seamlessly with your existing account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be presented with a dashboard that includes several sections. Focus now on the quick link section, an area designed to help you quickly access common editing features. Within this section, look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This brings you to the site editor where you will see the layout and structure of your website. It might take a few moments for the editor to load completely, so be patient as all your site elements appear. Within the site editor, navigate to the group you wish to modify. The interface will show your available groups, and there will be an option to click specifically on the group that you want to transform into a grid. By clicking on your group, you indicate that you wish to adjust its layout. The group view is an essential area where you manage how content is organized, making this step fundamental to the grid transformation process. After you have selected your group, examine the interface for the navigation bar. In the navigation bar, locate the first icon. This icon represents the control for editing elements of your design. Click on the first icon to reveal additional layout options. The navigation bar is an important part of the editor, and selecting the correct icon will allow you to access configuration settings that are key to arranging your elements in a grid-based layout. Finally, with all previous steps complete, look for the option that allows you to transform the group into a grid. Clicking this option will reorganize the layout of your group, changing the appearance from a standard linear grouping into a structured grid format. This transformation is useful for enhancing the visual appeal and usability of your website, ensuring that content is presented in a neat and attractive manner. This tutorial has guided you through each step, beginning at the WordPress homepage, signing in with Google, accessing the edit site feature through quick links, selecting your specific group, using the navigation bar to access layout options, and finally transforming the group into a grid. Every step has been carefully designed to be straightforward while offering a significant improvement in the presentation of your website. Enjoy the new layout and the ease of use that comes with a grid format as you continue to enhance your WordPress site.